A 3520 leak test unit must be connected to a controller through Ethernet before configuration and testing can begin. The process requires several steps. This video outlines the basic steps along with information specific to the SIGPOD PSV application. First, connect the 3520 to the controller directly or through an unmanaged network switch using the supplied Ethernet cable. Ensure that the 3520 is powered on. Each 3520 comes with two IP addresses. One of them is not configurable and is found on a sticker on the side of the unit. Record this information. Now, go to the controller and ensure that the inspection system shell is displayed. The IP address of the controller must be set to the same subnet in order to establish communication with the 3520, even if it is only temporary. From the System Shell toolbar, click Setup. Click the Run button and then type Control to open the Windows Control panel. Click Network and Sharing Center, and then Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on the wired connection that's connected to the 3520 and select Properties. Next, click Internet Protocol version 4 and choose Properties again. Now, assign an IP address to the controller that is the same as the 3520 except the last number. The last number must be unique to avoid a network conflict. Click on the Subnet Mask field and it should be automatically populated by Windows. Now, click OK and then close all windows until the system setup is displayed again. Ping the 3520 to verify that network communication between the controller and the 3520 has been established. To do this, click Run and then type CMD to open a command prompt. Type ping followed by the IP address of the 3520. If the network is connected, a reply with statistics will be displayed up to 4 times. Close the command prompt to proceed. If the 3520 is to be on a network, its user-specified IP address must be changed through the web page. Click Run and then type iExplore to open Internet Explorer. Type the IP address of the 3520 in the address bar to open the 3520 web page. Log in to change network settings using the default credentials found in the 3520 user guide or your user-specified credentials. In the IP address field, type the desired static IP address and subnet mask which are to be used by the 3520. Click OK to save any changes. A warning message may be shown to confirm saving the changes. Click Save. The 3520 must reboot to apply the changes. Click Reboot Now. The 3520 network light will start blinking orange during this process. This may take several minutes. When the 3520 is online, the network light will blink green again. On the controller, the web page may attempt to refresh using the new IP address. However, if the controller IP address is now on a different subnet, it will fail. If necessary, the controller IP address can now be changed to its permanent value. This can be done through the control panel as shown earlier. Again, Network communication can be verified by performing a ping test. When a connection is confirmed, the OPC UA settings can be entered. To do this, expand the Hardware tab and then select OPC UA. Select the desired module number and expand it. Change the Enabled option to True, and then enter the IP address preceded by opc.tcp and followed by port 4842 as shown. It is important to follow this format. Now, the application can be started. Once PSV starts, click Setup twice to enter setup mode. Go to the System page. Click Enable 3520 functionality to enable all 3520 functions within the application. Note that this cannot be disabled without clearing the configuration of the system. A table appears at the top, showing the possible platforms. A green bar below the first 3520 indicates that communication has been established and configuration can continue. Click on the button to open the module-specific information and settings. From this page, the Web Configuration button can be clicked to access the web page directly with Internet Explorer. Now, you are ready to start configuring tests and use the leak tester. For additional information, refer to the SIGPOD PSV User Guide and 3520 User Guide.